Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. So friends, in today's session, we will discuss about a circular which is issued by Reserve Bank of India, and it is related to the loan and advances regulatory restriction. So friends, in this circular, it is published on 23rd July, means yesterday only it is published. So here it is: for personal loan guaranteed to any director of other banks, the threshold of rupees 25 lakh as mentioned in para 2.2.1 stand revised to rupees 5 crore. So friends, earlier the personal loan which was given to any director of other bank, the limit was 25 lakh. So friends, जो भी किसी भी बैंक के डायरेक्टर हैं, उनको अगर पर्सनल लोन लेना है, तो फॉर दैट पर्पस अर्लियर 25 लाख, पहले 25 लाख रुपए तक का ही लोन हम उन्हें दे सकते थे, बट नाउ इट इज रिवाइज टू 5 करोड़. नाउ दे कैन गेट लोन अप टू 5 करोड़ रुपीज. Okay, unless sanctioned by the board of directors or management committee. So this is a condition: unless sanctioned by the board of director or management committee, bank should not grant loans and advances aggregating rupees 5 crore and above to any relative other than spouse and minor or dependent children of their own chairman or managing director or other directors. So friends, यहाँ पे सेकंड जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू एनी रिलेटिव, कोई भी रिलेटिव है जो other than spouse and dependent children. So for that, the sanction for that the sanction by the board of director or management committee is required. So this is same: any relative other than spouse and minor of the chairman और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ और अदर डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ अदर बैंक, दूसरे बैंक के लिए भी और अपने बैंक के लिए भी, एंड एनी फर्म इन विच एनी ऑफ रिलेटिव अदर देन स्पाउस एंड माइनर और डिपेंडेंट चिल्ड्रन एज मेंशन इन ए एंड बी अबव एज ए पार्टनर और गारंटर. अगर वो किसी फर्म में पार्टनर है, गारंटर है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो द अनलेस सैंक्शन बाय बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. सो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर या मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का सैंक्शन रिक्वायर्ड है. And any company in which any of the relative other than spouse and minor or dependent children above mentioned is interested as a major shareholder or as a director or as a guarantor. अगर किसी कंपनी में कोई भी जो रिलेटिव है डायरेक्टर का, एंड सो इन दैट केस वहां पे भी आपको फ्रेंड्स ये चीज देखना होगा कि the sanction is required. These are the main points. Okay, so the proposal for credit facility of an amount less than 25 lakh or rupees 5 crore to these borrower may be sanctioned by the appropriate authority in the financing bank under powers vested in such authority. So this is important with respect to exam point of view. और friends, यहाँ पे कुछ explanation है. The term personal loan shall have the meaning assigned to it in circular this, okay, on XBRL return, and the term major shareholder. तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे मेजर शेयर होल्डर का मतलब क्या है? A person holding 10% or more of the paid up share capital or 5 crore rupees in paid up share, whichever is less. So that person will be called as major shareholder. And second is the term control. Control shall include the right to appoint majority of the directors or to control the management or policy decision exercisable by a person or person acting individual. So these are the three points: personal loan, major shareholder, and control. इनके मीनिंग है फ्रेंड्स. पर्सनल लोन, लेट्स सी व्हाट अबाउट पर्सनल लोन. इन दिस सर्कुलर, पर्सनल लोन मींस personal loan refer to, this point is there, personal loan refer to loans given to individual and consist of a consumer credit, education loan, loan given for creation or enhancement of immovable asset like housing loan, etc., and loan given for investment in financial asset, shared debentures. So this is called personal loan. This is a circular, this one circular, DBR, and this circular is this. So in this circular, various definitions are given. What is consumer credit, which loans will come under consumer credit, and funded credit, what is funded credit, weighted average lending rate, pre-shipment credit. So these are the various terms are defined in this circular. Take out finance or conditional take out finance, unsecured guarantees. So slippage क्या होते हैं? Standard asset, substandard asset, doubtful asset, restructure. So these are the definitions given here related to this. If you want, friends, you can read from here. and this circular is also available on RBI website. So these are the various things are written here. So main our point was related to the circular, and you can read this, you can pause the video and read this if you want to know about these. Okay, so many points are there. I think more than 83 points are there. So these points also can be important for exam point of view. So friends, if you want, you can read this from here on the video, or you can visit the RBI site, and from there also you can read this if you want. So friends, this is all about this our circular which is issued yesterday. So you have to remember this point, that there is an enhancement from 25 lakh to 5 crore rupees. Okay, revised enhancement is for personal loan guaranteed to any director of other bank. So this is main. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel Bankers Platform. And friends, today we will have a live class on bank promotion exam and 8 p.m. So be ready for that, and we will have a good session. Thank you friends, have a nice day.